Now we're going to talk about protocols in Elixir. Protocols are a powerful mechanism in Elixir that allows us to achieve polymorphism and write flexible, extensible code. Let's start by exploring how to define a protocol in Elixir. In Elixir, we use the def protocol macro to define a protocol. In this example, we define a protocol named JSON-able. Inside the protocol block, we use the def macro to define the function toJSON1. Moving on, let's explore how to implement a protocol for different data types. To implement a protocol for a specific data type, we use the def impl macro followed by the protocol name and the for keyword, specifying the data type that we want to implement the protocol for. In this example, we implement the JSON-able protocol for the atom and list data types. For the atom implementation, we define the toJSON1 function that converts the atom to a JSON string. For the list implementation, we define the toJSON1 function that recursively converts each element of the list to JSON and joins them with commas. Next, let's see how to use the protocol in our code. Once we have defined a protocol and implemented it for specific data types, we can use it just like any other function. In this example, we use the toJSON1 function, which is part of the JSON-able protocol, to convert an atom and a list to JSON. We use the io.puts1 function to print the JSON representation of the data. Lastly, let's explore how to consolidate protocols by implementing them for more data types. Protocols in Elixir can be consolidated by implementing them for additional data types. In this example, we consolidate the JSON-able protocol by implementing it for the tuple data type. We define the toJSON1 function that converts the tuple to a JSON string by recursively converting each element and joining them with commas. So that concludes our exploration of Elixir protocols. We've learned how to define protocols, implement them for specific data types, and use them to achieve polymorphic behavior in Elixir. Protocols provide a flexible and extensible way to write reusable code in Elixir.